Today I'm going to show you how to prevent programs from running at startup in Microsoft Windows operating systems. This is particularly, I'm running right now Windows 10, but I can also show you how to do that in other versions of Windows. This is brought to you by Song Director. Song Director is a free and easy to use music organizer player software that you can download for free on songdirector.com. Organizes and plays your music files. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. First thing, right now I'm using Windows 10, so I'll show you on Windows 10 first how to do this. You would go to Task Manager here. There's a couple ways to do this. You can go over to the search area and type in Task Manager and bring up Task Manager here, and it's a Task Manager screen. There's some tabs up here. You can hit Startup. Now these are programs that when you install them they want to run at startup, and they kind of bully themselves into, push themselves into running at startup. So whenever you turn on the computer, they're running. That could bog down your computer, and you don't want all those programs running that you don't really need to have running. So I don't like that, and that can cause problems with the computer, longer to boot up, and cause conflicts with other programs, and uses a lot of computer resources, and can cause issues. So if you notice here, I have a lot of these programs disabled. Some are enabled, some are disabled. So you can go through here and pick out which ones you want enabled and which one you want disabled. Here's something called Apple Push. We can right click on that and you can enable this, and now it will run when you start up the computer. But if you don't want that, you can go over here, hit disable, and now it will not run when you start up the computer. Programs that run when you start up the computer usually show up down here. Some of them show up here, not all of them. These are some that I have running in the background right now, or that are running. And this will fill up quite a bit if you have all these enabled. Like I said, some of them show up here, some of them don't. You can also hit enable right here. But this is a good thing to do if you to prevent all these programs from running at startup. Try to do this when you get a new computer and whenever you start installing a lot of programs. Because a lot of these programs want to take over, they want to be the big boss man, and they want to basically take over your machine. So you want to prevent those from running at startup. It's only going to run when you want it to run. So that is the way you prevent these programs from running at startup. Again, this is brought to you by Song Director. You can go to songdirector.com to download the free music software to help organize your music files. Stay tuned for some more tips on using the Windows operating system.